If you're an incoming freshman, there's a good chance you'll be living on campus next year. 95% of freshmen live on the Hill. The Hill is where the UCLA residential halls, dining restaurants, and many other student resources are. Let us show you around.
We're here in NEVE where there's a lot of different buildings. There's acacia, birch, cedar, dogwood, evergreen, and fir, and they're all plazas with a private bathroom. Gardenia and Holly have deluxes, and Dykstra has classics, all of them with communal bathrooms. Fun fact, a lot of transfers live in Holly, so that's pretty cool.
NEVE has a dining hall, which has diverse food options from North, Central, and South American cultures. There's also a new, to-be-announced grab-and-go restaurant under construction. NEVE has a leadership lab, a place for students to collaborate and plan events for fellow residents of the Hill. 2 of the 4 learning centers are in NEVE. One of them has a design lab, music lab, and study space with the computers, programs, and equipment needed to design things or make original music. The other is Studio 22, a multimedia production studio and training facility open to all students, providing equipment and workshops for students to explore their creativity. Lastly, NEVE houses Media Team, the team behind the UCLA Housing social media platforms, and this video. NEVE also has its own auditorium, pool table, study rooms, and even a meditation room open to students 24/7. NEVE is closest to campus as well, making your journey to class in the mornings a little easier. Traveling slightly up the hill from NEVE, we have Sproul.
Hey all, we're in the heart of Sproul Plaza right now, home to Sproul Hall, Sproul Cove, and Sproul Landing. Sproul Cove and Sproul Landing accommodate deluxe triples and doubles, and Sproul Hall accommodates classic triples and doubles.
There are music practice and study rooms, and Sproul Hall has a great view of campus. The nearest dining hall is B-Plate, known for its healthier dining options. Sproul has a hydroponic garden outside of Sproul Living Room, a water-friendly way of growing vegetables. There is also a smaller UCLA store, the Hilltop Gym, BFit, and Carnesale Commons, a place for small to large events and meetings. Another feature of Sproul is the Northwest Campus Auditorium, a venue for concerts, plays, musicals, and talks. Sproul also has nice outside seating for studying, socializing, and eating. A few steps away from Sproul, we have Sunset Village. Let's give it a look.
Now we're in Sunset Village. Sunset Village has 3 different buildings: Delta Terrace, Canyon Point, and Courtside. All of these buildings have both double and triple plazas with shared and private baths. It is very close to a lot of great dining halls and takeout restaurants. It is also where the mailroom is, so if you get a package, you'll know to go to Sunset to pick it up. Nearby is Covell Dining Hall, known for its Italian and Mediterranean food. Covell has meeting rooms and a computer lab that students can use. Sunset is also close to Cafe 1919, a takeout restaurant, known for its pizza and gelato, and Bruin Cafe, known for its sandwiches and smoothies. Sunset Village has a learning center with board games and video games. They also have a computer lab and printers. The Learning Center is a good place to study or just hang out with friends. Nearby is also a recreation center called Sunset Canyon Rec. Here you can take a lot of cool recreational classes like dance, art, or even guitar. There are also pools that are free to use during the day, tennis courts, and there's even a rope challenge course. Sunset Village's front desk is in Sproul Hall, and the closest parking lot is SV Parking. Traveling up the death stairs from Sunset Village is Reber.
Welcome to Reber Court. Reber has 4 different buildings: Reber Terrace, Reber Hall, Reber Vista, and Saxon. In terms of room types, Reber Vista and Reber Terrace have plazas, which means there's 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. Reber Hall has only classic rooms. Saxon, on the other hand, is an apartment-style living situation where you share a living room with 2 different rooms.
Reber is close to Feast, a dining restaurant known for its Asian food options, and Rendezvous, a grab-and-go restaurant serving both Mexican and Asian food. Reber Hall has the Makerspace, another learning center with equipment ranging from 3D printers to laser cutters. These learning centers are open to all students. Reber Hall also has the brand new Black Resource Center, an undergraduate writing center, and music practice rooms. Reber Hall, Vista, and Terrace all have various meeting rooms and study spaces. Saxon is one of the newest communities on the Hill and has communal and private study rooms. It has beautiful grassy courtyards, grills, and picnic tables, along with its very own parking lot. Although it's the second farthest from campus, Reber has a lot to offer. And last but not least, at the top of the hill, we have HEDRICK Court. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, welcome to HEDRICK Court, home of HEDRICK Hall, HEDRICK Summit, and Hitch Suites. HEDRICK Hall has double and triple classic room types. Inside HEDRICK Hall, there is the HEDRICK Movement Studio, music practice rooms, and various other meeting rooms and study spaces. HEDRICK Summit has double and triple plazas with shared baths. It also has a game room, and it's right next to another entrance to Sunset Canyon Recreation Center. HEDRICK Court may be the farthest from campus, but it has The Study. The Study is one of the most popular restaurants on the hill. It's known for its crepes, salads, waffles, sandwiches, pizzas, and juice bar. Lastly, we have Hitch. Hitch has apartment-style suites similar to Saxon that houses 4 to 6 people depending on the room type. 2 rooms share a living room and a bathroom. Hitch also has a kitchen, known as the Hitchin, and its lounge that anyone can use. In addition, Hitch also has basketball courts and its own parking lot 11.
Thank you for joining us on the tour around the hill. If you guys have further questions, please contact us at UCLA Housing on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.